the cookie stall. One morning, Suzy and Max were selling homemade cookies outside their house to make some extra pocket money. They waited for customers, but nobody stopped to buy their cookies. Everyone walked straight past. Why? The cookies look a bit plain, said Suzy. Maybe we could decorate them. Yes, Max replied. We could make them look like stars and rockets. Back in the kitchen, they found colored icing and special pastry brushes. They got to work painting and decorating their cookies. The cookies looked colorful and tasty, but still no one stopped to buy them. The art teacher, Mr. Doodle, walked past. Max called out, "Would you like a cookie, sir?" "Yes, please," said Mr. Doodle. It's delicious," he added. "But I didn't realize you were selling cookies. You need to attract people's attention." "How do we do that?" asked Suzy and Max. Thought Mr. Doodle. "Why don't you go and look at the shops? You'll get some ideas there. I'll look after your stall while you're gone." "Ooh, here's a cake shop, Max," said Suzy. "The cakes are all on cake stands, and they look so pretty and yummy," she added. "The fruit and veg shop is colorful too," said Max. "But the shoe shop looks very serious." "Let's make our stall bright and colorful," said Suzy. "That way we'll get lots of customers." They ran all the way back to their stall. "Did you get lots of ideas?" Mr. Doodle asked. "Yes," said Suzy. "I'm going to build a tower of plates to display the cookies. And I'll decorate the table," added Max. Suzy and Max worked hard, and soon their stall was transformed. "It's really bright and fun," said Suzy. "And cookies look so tasty." "Now that the cookies are nicely displayed, everyone will want to come and look," Max said. A few people stopped by. "Decorating the cookies and the stall really helped," said Max. "But is there anything else we could do?" "We could paint a sign so that people notice our stall from across the street," suggested Suzy. Back in the kitchen, Max and Suzy got to work. They found paint, paintbrushes, and paper. But then, oops! They were so excited they bumped into each other. Splodges of paint went everywhere. "Oh no! Our sign is messy now," they cried. "Let's ask Mr. Doodle what to do," said Max. "How can we fix our sign, Mr. Doodle?" asked Suzy. "Art does not need to be tidy. Why don't you make the splats part of the design?" he suggested. Mr. Doodle showed them how to use colored splashes to decorate their cookie sign. "Wow, that looks so cool!" Max and Suzy agreed. "How will I paint the star cookies?" asked Suzy. "We don't have any green paint. And we don't have any orange paint for the rockets either," Max added. "You have everything you need to make orange and green right in front of you," said Mr. Doodle. "Just mix two of these colors together." Suzy and Max mixed their paints. If you mix blue and yellow paint, You get green, said Suzy. And red and yellow mixed together make orange, laughed Max. More red paint makes a darker orange, and more yellow paint makes a lighter orange. Suzy and Max hung up their sign. Customers flocked to their colorful stall. The cookies sold out so fast that soon there were only crumbs left. Well done, said Mr. Doodle. Your design for the cookie stall and your painted sign made all the difference. Finish.